Hey guys, welcome to Science Learning Gateway. I hope you people are doing great. So, we are starting with the new session, and this tutorial is especially for class 10 students, those who are going to write their board exam in the year 2023. So in this tutorial, we are going to discuss about the complete course of class 10th science, and this course is especially for Karnataka Board students. And the course will start from 2nd June. Yes, your course will start, and the course of class 10th science will start from 2nd June 2022. And this course is absolutely free in YouTube. You don't have to pay anything for this course, and you'll get complete knowledge about about science subject for class 10, and we will be covering each and every topic from your NCERT textbook. So let's begin that how we are going to proceed for class 10th science course. So before starting the video, I request you all to please subscribe the channel Science Learning Gateway, so that it will be helpful for you during the session, and you can get the notes as well as the explanation, everything from here. So let's discuss once that how we can proceed further for the course. See, so in this I have added few key points that how we are going to proceed for your class 10 syllabus. The first thing which we will do is topic wise discussion from all the chapters. As from the beginning, each and every topic we are going to discuss in detail. I will be explaining you each and every topic, as well as the notes also you will get from all the chapters. Second is explanation of all the experiments. As you can see that in your science textbook, many experiments are there, and nowadays in the exams also questions are asked from the experiments also. So we will be doing the experiments. I will be explaining you all the experiments and the type of questions which are asked from the experiments, right? Next thing which we will do is that in-text type questions. You can see that after covering one topic, some questions are asked. So we will be doing all the in-text question. After that, after finishing this chapter, we will be doing the exercise questions from each and every chapter. From each chapter, we will be doing the exercise questions also. Next is important questions from all the chapters. After that, we will be discussing the important questions from each and every chapter. And during the exam times, before your exam time, we will be doing the previous year questions, in short PYQs. And at last, we will do the one-shot revision also from each and every chapter. So these two topics we will do before your exam, the previous year questions plus the one shot revision. In very short time, we will be covering the full chapter, so that you will get complete mind map of the chapter, and you can revise each and every topic in short. And the most important thing, after each session I will be giving you some homework, some questions I will be providing you, and you have to do those questions. And you can comment in the comment section by replying to your answers, that what answers you are getting for those questions. You can copy those questions in a notebook, obviously, that you will do. After that, in the comment section also you can write your homework, so that if any mistake, any doubts you have in that homework part, I will reply to it, that whether you are right or wrong, correct. And after going through the tutorial, if you have any doubt, you will comment in the comment section. Definitely I will try to reply for you, for your doubts. And we will be, and for your doubts, if possible, I will make separate video for you all, so that your doubts will be cleared. And one more thing, yes, after going through the tutorial of each and every chapter, I request you all to read your NCERT textbook, because your NCERT textbook is very important for your 10th board exam. The questions which will be asked from 10th exam will be NCERT based. So it's very important that you should give a reading to the chapter. So these are the points by which we will go further for your class 10th science. So I think you all are excited for your class 10th syllabus, right? Okay, so let's have a quick look on the chapters which we have to do for class 10th science. The first chapter is chemical reactions and equation. This chapter is from chemistry section. Second, acid, bases and salt. This is also from chemistry. Metals, non-metals. It is also from chemistry. Carbon and its compound. This chapter is also from chemistry. So altogether 4 chapters which we have from chemistry section. Oh sorry, this 5th chapter periodic classification of element. This is also from your chemistry part. Next, life process, control and coordination, how do organisms reproduce, and heredity. These four chapters are from your biology section. Light reflection and refraction, human eye and colorful world, electricity, magnetic effect of electric current, sources of energy. These all are from physics. And our environment and management of natural resources are also from your environmental science, or you can say biology also. Right, so these are the 16 chapters which we have to cover for class 10th science syllabus, and till now we have not got any update from Karnataka state board education department that if any reduction is there in the syllabus or not. So we will start with the first chapter, chemical reaction and equation. If any changes will be made in the syllabus, we will go according to the syllabus only. So our first chapter which we are going to start in the first class is chemical reactions and equations. In this chapter, chemical reaction and equation, let me give you a overview of the chapter. That in this chapter we are going to read about the physical changes, chemical changes, types of chemical reaction. 5 types of chemical reactions are there, that we will do. Balancing of chemical equation, that we will do. And at last we'll read about corrosion and density. That's all. So that is the chapter which we are going to read about, right? So if you want to go through a basic basic course about chemistry, then you can check my playlist of basic some basic concepts of chemistry. In that you will get many videos relating to what is atomic number, what is atomic mass, how to find the valencies, then what are the symbols of the elements. Everything you will get in that playlist. So if you want, I will provide the link in the description box. You can go through that. It will be easy for you to start with the chemistry section. And it is necessary that at least you should learn the symbols from 1 to 20 elements. That is from hydrogen to calcium. You should learn the symbols of these elements so that it will be very easy for you to do your chemistry section and you can score very good marks in the exam. So that's all. That is the syllabus, and these are the things which we have to cover in the course. Everything you will get, complete thing. You don't have to spend any money for that. This full course is for you, free for you all. But only thing is that you have to subscribe to the channel and you have to click on the bell icon so that whenever I will be uploading a video, you will get the notification for that. And one more thing is that you have to regular with your NCERT book. Without your NCERT book, you cannot read, right? So you have to be thorough with your NCERT book. Explanation will be provided to you in the class, but only thing is that from your end you have to read your NCERT book. You have to write the notes completely so that during the exam it will be very easy for you all to cover each and every topic and you to write each and every answer. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching my channel Science Learning Gateway. If it is helpful for you, then please like, share and subscribe, and also share with your friends so that your friends will also so that your friends can also join this course and they can also get the benefit from it. So all the best to you all for your class 10th science, and we will start our course from 2nd June. So be ready all of you, subscribe to the channel and don't miss the class. Thank you.